Hi everyone, thank you so much for all the love and support. I'm very overwhelmed with the response I got on my live session yesterday. I have saved the live session on IGTV so you can have a look just in case you have missed it out. So, just to give you a recap about what we have showcased yesterday, we started off with 9 to 5 collection, which is a basic stud collection which ranges from 100 rupees onwards, going up to 500 rupees. These are very affordable. You can adorn these on daily basis with your casual wear as well. Also, you can wear them to office. They are so pretty that you can mix and match them with every dress that you wear. You can wear it on an Indian, on a Western, on an Indo-Western, and they will look just perfect. Moving on to the next collection that I showcased is our bracelet collection, which is adjustable. These ones that you see here are in gold and silver plated polish. These are available at the range of 150 going up to the range of 200. These are very economical and very beautiful, as you can see, and they are adjustable so you can open them and wear it very easily. Moving on to the charm bracelets out there, these are beautiful charm bracelets in gold and silver plating. These charms are just so adorable that you just can't get your eyes off them. You can adorn these on your Western, your Indian, your Indo-Western. You can just pair it up with any dress and they will look just so perfect. Moving on to the next collection that I had showcased yesterday are these gorgeous set of charm bracelets which have numerous charms on them, and they are available in different colors. They are so pretty and gorgeous that we just can't get our eyes off them. They are our best sellers. We've so far sold more than 100 pieces in these, and these are the only ones that are remaining. So guys, hurry, grab yours soon before the stock completely finishes. So guys, moving on to the next set of bracelets that I had showcased. These are another set of charm bracelets which have got gorgeous little charms on them. They are just so affordable. They are in the range of 150 going up to 250. They've got different charms like hearts, evil eyes, and lots many. So guys, DM us if you would like to see the close-up of all these bracelets, because they are so pretty and so gorgeous that they are my favorite picks which I wear on daily basis as well. So guys, which one are your favorite? Do DM us, do let us know. And moving on to the next collection which I had showcased yesterday are another set of handmade bracelets which are so pretty that you can just adorn these with any kind of attire that you prefer to wear, Indo-Western, Indian. You can wear it with anything. These are all handmade bracelets in the range of 250, and they're so gorgeous and so pretty. Moving on to the next set, we've got these crystal stone bracelets which are again in the range of 100. Moving on to the next set of bracelets, these are party wears. You can pair them up with all your party clothes in your occasional wear. Also, they've got elastic in them, so they are adjustable and they can fit even kids. Also, you can gift these are just in the range of 300 to 350, and they are just so pretty and gorgeous. So guys, here's a glimpse of the collection that we had just showcased. Moving on to the next set of collection, we have got some handmade bracelets and necklaces which you can adorn on your party wear as well as your casual wears. So here's a glimpse of the same. These are in the range of 150, and they can be adorned on all type of dressing. Moving on to these handmade bracelets, they are in the range of 300 to 400. They are made out of hand-picked stones and they are all handcrafted. They are just very gorgeous. Moving on to the next set of collection, these are our party wear. These are in the range of 300 to 400. These are gorgeous necklaces which you can adorn for your clubbing, for your party wear, for your kitty parties. You can gift it to your friends on their birthdays, to your family members. They are just so pretty and just so affordable. Moving to the next set of collection, these are also some more necklaces which are again party wear, and these are some chokers as well which you can layer them up with different kind of earrings. They are available in gold polish and rhodium polish. Also, they are available in rose gold gold polish. So guys, you can get in touch with us for more details on these western wear. They are just so gorgeous and pretty and so blingy that you can just not get your eyes off them. They are very pretty to have, and you must have at least some of them. Moving on to the next set, we've got some pearl sets which are again very beautiful. You can adorn these on your western and your Indo-western as well. They are layered pearls which are very pretty, and they come with pretty drops. Moving on to the last set of collection that we had showcased yesterday in our live session are these gorgeous earrings ranging from 100 rupees to 1000 rupees, made of semi-precious stones, glass base, Swarovskis and pearls. You can adorn these with your western or Indo-western attire. They will look absolutely stunning. We've got a huge variety of these earrings in different colors and in patterns. You can get in touch with us through DM on Instagram, Facebook, or you can WhatsApp us on 9769 185 145 for further inquiries on these lovely beauties. Thank you so much for showering your love and support. See you next Thursday with our next live session. Till then, please follow, like, share and comment on what would you like to see in the next live session. We've got one more exciting news for you. We are giving away free gifts on every purchase till the end of the month. So guys, hurry up, pick up your favorite products and get a free gift from our end. We are offering additional 10% discount on purchases above 1000 rupees and additional 20% off on purchases above 5000 rupees. So guys, hurry up, grab your favorite jewelry and avail all the discounts. Thank you so much. We are very overwhelmed with the response that we have got so far. Keep loving us and supporting us in the same manner. See you soon next Thursday on our next live session. Till then, stay tuned for our latest collection. We love you all. Thank you so much.